Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Sajjad Rahman Shikdar and I am student at Daffodil International University. I am currently pursuing a Bachelor of Science degree in the Department of Multimedia and Creative Technology and my student ID is 222-40103. I am in batch 32 and currently in my 6th semester. I come from a small yet vibrant village called Khagan in Shawarashulia region. It's not just where I grew up, but also a place that has shaped who I am today. I completed my high school education here as well. I have passed out from Doshait AK School and College and completed my higher secondary certificate or SSC in science, earning a GPA of 4.50. Before that, I completed my secondary school certificate or SSC at Savar SAD School with a GPA of 4.33 also in science. Throughout my academic journey, I have developed a strong foundation in multimedia and creative technology, exploring a wide range of skills from graphic design and animation to video production and creative storytelling. This experience have been incredibly rewarding as they allow me to express my ideas in unique ways and in engaging ways. As I move forward in my studies, I constantly looking for ways to challenge myself and grow both technically and creatively. I believe that my knowledge and it will combine with my passion for creativity will help me make a meaningful impact in the industry. Looking ahead, my goal is to become a creative director at a multinational company right here in Bangladesh. I dream of leading a team of talented individuals in the creative department, driving innovative projects that make a difference. I am inspired by the potential of multimedia and technology to connect people and communicate ideas. And I am excited about the role I could play in that as a leader in the creative field. Thank you for taking the time to learn a little about me. I am Mohammad Sajjad Rahman Shikdar, a passionate multimedia student with big dreams for the future. I am eager to bring my ideas to life, inspire others, and contribute to the creative industry in Bangladesh. Thank you for watching and I look forward to what lies ahead. Thanks again. Assalamu alaikum.